First, we'll start by adding zooms. Make an adjustment layer. Now add S_blur Mo curves and just follow my settings here. Next, for the twitch shake, add another adjustment layer in between your clips. Then add twitch. Click on Enable and turn on Blur, Light and Slide. Now follow my keyframes. After that, easy ease the keyframes and adjust the graph like this. After this, add BCC lens blur and follow my keyframes for that as well. And yeah, that's it for this one. See you in the next one.